This right here is how you take your Tesla from stock to smart. If you just got your Tesla, or even if you've had it for a while, there are a few upgrades that completely change how it feels to own one. Some make it look better, some make it more comfortable, and others, they'll save you when you least expect it. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 Tesla accessories every owner actually needs. All of the products I'm about to cover are in the description below. Starting with one that makes a massive difference the second you sit inside. Number 1, ceramic tint. Something subtle, but seriously powerful. From the factory, Tesla glass looks clean, but it barely blocks any heat. That massive glass roof, it might look amazing, but it turns your cabin into an oven on a sunny day. A 25% ceramic tint changes that completely. It blocks up to 90% of infrared heat and nearly 100% of UV rays. That means less strain on your AC, better range in summer, and a cabin that stays cool even when it's 100 degrees outside. Number 2, fast retractable phone charger. Let's talk about charging your phone. If you've used Tesla's built-in wireless charger, you already know it's not great. It looks nice, sure, but it's slow. And after a few minutes, your phone starts to feel hot. That's where the retractable fast charger comes in. It's clean, compact, and delivers a steady fast charge without the overheating issues. It fits neatly in your center console. Just pull it when you need it, plug it in, and when you're done, it retracts back automatically. No cables everywhere, no slow charging, no overheating. Just fast, reliable charging that looks factory built. It's one of those accessories that makes the Tesla feel more functional, not just futuristic. Number 3, the NACS adapter. Tesla's supercharger network is the best in the world, but sometimes you'll be in a spot with no superchargers nearby, just third-party stations. That's where the NACS adapter saves the day. It lets you plug into charging stations, giving you access to thousands of extra chargers across the country. It's compact, fits right in your glove box, and it's your just-in-case travel essential. Think of it like your passport for charging. No matter where you are, you'll always have a place to plug it in. It's small, affordable, and it turns range anxiety into range freedom. Number 4, Tesla tire repair kit. Now let's talk about the one accessory that could literally save your road trip. Here's the thing, Teslas don't come with a spare tire. Pop open the trunk, nothing. Not in the Model 3, not in the Y, not in the S or X. Instead, Tesla gives you this, a small box with a compressor and sealant bottle. Together they can patch small punctures, reinflate your tire in just a few minutes. You're back on the road. It's efficient, compact, and easy to use. And lastly, number 5, glass roof sunshade. If you've ever been on a long summer drive, you already know that panoramic glass gets hot, like really hot. The sunshade clips right into place and instantly drops the temperature inside. It blocks glare, cuts heat, and keeps your cabin and passengers way more comfortable. Plus, it gives the roof a clean, sporty look from the outside. It's one of those accessories you don't think you need until you take it off and realize how much it helped. So there you have it, the 5 Tesla accessories every owner actually needs. The link of the products are in the description below. From staying cool, to staying charged, to staying prepared. Each one adds comfort, safety, or just that extra touch of Tesla style. Which one would you grab first? Drop a comment below, hit that like button if you learned something new, and subscribe for more real world Tesla content. I've got plenty more on the way.